Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to see something new in this Java series, and we will know about a good and a nice interesting topic. That topic is interface in Java. Okay, so we will know here what is interface in Java, and I will tell you that if you have any idea of the abstraction or abstract, then you will easily understand the interface also, because it's correlated to each other. For abstraction purpose only we are using abstract and interface. Okay, and as per you, if you will go professionally, like how to give the answer in interview also, so you can say like an interface in Java is the blueprint of class. It has a static, constant and abstract method, and the interface in Java mechanism to achieve the abstraction, and there can only be abstract method in the Java interface, not method by body. It is used to achieve the abstraction and multiple intents in Java. Okay, so if you are performing multiple intents in Java, so base is that if you want to do multiple intents in Java, or if you want to abstraction, okay, in Java, that you can use the interface. Abstraction in the sense, if you want to hide some information from the user which is not required for them, you can hide with them by using the interface. We will know these things by syntax also, that will be more better. And let me tell you, as a beginner level they won't ask you too much about these things, so just be normal and just understand the syntax and basic thing, what is the basic need of interface and what is the basic syntax of interface. That's enough for the any fresher. Okay, so if you'll go through the syntax, I will tell you like so you can see here we have created one polygon interface. Okay, this is polygon interface, and we have passed some parameter in method like int length and int breadth. Okay, and now we are implementing polygon in rectangle REC class. Okay, in REC class I am implementing the polygon and overriding the get area method by passing the same parameter. Okay, int length, int breadth. Okay, and now we are giving one like operation length into breadth, which will perform by this one. Like in class rec class we are passing one parameter, we are passing operation for the parameter length and breadth, length into breadth. Okay, so in the main class what we have did, we have created one object, and that object is rec r1 equal to new rec. That rec is coming from here, because if I will remove this one, it will show error to you. Okay, so this rec is coming from this class. Okay, we have created object of this class. Okay, here, and now for this object I am passing the method, and then I am passing the parameter. So you can see simply you have passed here parameter 5 and 6, and it will give you the answer. Okay, what answer it will give, you can see it here. Like, okay, let me save this one. So it will give you like 5 into 6 value. Okay, 30. How it gave? Because we have passed here the operation length into breadth. Same thing is happening if user is passing two parameter for his area, automatic it will give 30 to them. It will not ask to pass the multiple or it will, user don't want to know the background things, like how it's giving 30, how it's giving the area is 30. Okay, it's directly giving 5 into 6 equal to 30. That is the property of interface in Java. Okay, so I hope you understand these things, like how the operation is getting performed. We are hiding the information, how the means it's coming, how the result is coming. Okay, only we are just giving the option to the user to pass the parameter, and it will give the output to you. Okay, and that's all for today's topic. So I hope you understand these things. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye. Take care.